Every sturdy wooden chair begins its journey here, deep within the forest, where nature provides the very foundation of our craft.
The journey continues as these majestic logs arrive at the mill, ready to be transformed into the foundational components of our chairs.
From rough timber, a new form emerges. The lathe is where raw material truly begins its transformation, guided by a craftsman's hand.
It's a mesmerizing process, isn't it? To witness wood transform so gracefully. If you're enjoying this journey from forest to furniture, make sure you hit that subscribe button to catch every step.
Now, for the curves that define our chairs. We move to the art of steam bending, where wood becomes surprisingly pliable under heat and moisture.
With precision, each plank is prepared for the steam box. This intense heat and moisture will soften the wood fibers, making it pliable for shaping.
The steam works its magic, transforming rigid timber into a flexible form. Timing is critical, as the wood must be worked while still hot and pliable.
This is where the craftsman's skill truly shines, guiding the wood into its new form. It's a delicate balance of force and finesse. And if you're enjoying this journey from raw timber to elegant chair, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to see more incredible.
Once bent, the wood must cool and dry in its jig, allowing its new shape to permanently set. It's a test of patience, but the result is always worth the wait.
With the steam bending complete, the pieces start to come together. The curved backrests will soon meet the sturdy legs, forming the very backbone of our chair.
The journey of a wooden chair is one of meticulous precision. Each component, carefully shaped and prepared, holds the promise of its final form.
With the lines laid out, it's time to create the perfect mortise. This specialized machine ensures consistency and strength, a hallmark of fine craftsmanship.
Witness the precision as the chisel carves out the heart of the joint. If you're enjoying seeing how these beautiful chairs come to life, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button right now.
The moment of truth. After hours in the steam, the wood is transformed, ready to yield to the craftsman's will and take on its new, elegant form.
The heart of our bending process. These planks, once rigid, are now saturated with moisture and heat, making them incredibly pliable. The steam truly works wonders.
Time is of the essence. The wood must be worked while it's still hot and supple, before it starts to cool and lose its remarkable flexibility. Every second counts.
This is where the magic truly happens, transforming a flat plank into a graceful curve. If you're enjoying seeing how these chairs come to life, do hit that subscribe button to join our craft community.
Once bent, the wood needs time. It's a bit like a memory. Once formed, it holds its shape. This cooling period is crucial for the integrity of the finished chair. A punch.
From the graceful curves of the backrest, we now turn our attention to the sturdy foundations. Each leg and spindle starts as a simple block, waiting to be sculpted.
With the block securely mounted, the artistry truly begins. The lathe, a dance partner in precision, transforms the raw timber into something new.
each pass of the chisel a stroke of intention. It's not just removing wood, it's revealing the form hidden within, guiding it with a steady hand.
A true craftsman knows when to pause, to feel the grain, to let the material guide the next step. It's a conversation between artist and wood.
This is where speed meets artistry. A flurry of focused action, each movement bringing us closer to the final shape.
The final touches are what truly define the piece, a smooth finish, a lasting impression. If you're enjoying this journey from raw timber to elegant furniture, make sure to hit that subscribe button to see the finished product. It really helps the channel.
After the initial shaping, each leg undergoes a meticulous sanding process, removing any imperfections and preparing the wood for the next stage. It's all about the feel, smooth, clean, and ready for its seat.
Speed. With the legs ready, we move to the next crucial component, the curved backrest. This requires a different kind of expertise, relying on the ancient art of steam bending.
Heating. Into the steam box it goes. The intense heat and humidity soften the wood's lignin, making it pliable, almost like clay, ready to take on its new form.
This is where the magic happens, transforming a straight piece of timber into a graceful curve. It takes skill, strength, and perfect timing. If you're enjoying seeing this craft come to life, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button right now.
The bent piece now rests in the jig, cooling slowly. This critical phase locks in the curve, ensuring structural integrity and that iconic shape for the chair's backrest.
After hours of patient steaming and careful bending, the wood finally takes its elegant, intended form. The real skill, however, lies in ensuring it holds its shape.
With the bending complete, attention turns to the next critical stage, precision. Every cut, every angle must be exact for the chair to stand strong and true.
This is where the magic truly happens, shaping raw wood into a perfect fit. And if you're enjoying seeing these traditional skills brought to life, make sure you hit that subscribe button to catch every step of the journey.
While hand craftsmanship remains at the heart of quality, technology steps in for repetitive tasks, ensuring flawless consistency.
Each piece, carefully prepared, now finds its place. The chair begins to take its true form, a fusion of nature's beauty and human ingenuity.
The foundation is laid, a testament to careful preparation. Each joint, a promise of strength and longevity.
The seat takes shape, an invitation to comfort. Every drop of glue, a bond of durability.
With the seat in place, we apply the clamps. This isn't just about holding it together, it's about making sure every fiber bonds perfectly. If you're enjoying seeing how these chairs come to life, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single step.
The backrest is where comfort meets design. Each slat, carefully chosen, perfectly fitted. Precision is paramount here, though even the best can have a momentary lapse.
The raw timber, transformed. The individual pieces, now one, a complete chair frame. It's truly a thing of beauty, crafted by skilled hands.
With the frame complete, the craftsman takes a moment, a silent acknowledgement of the work done. But the journey isn't over yet. Perfection lies in the final touches, the preparation for
for the world to see.
The final finish is where the wood truly comes alive. Each stroke, each pass of the sander prepares the canvas for the protective layer that will bring out its inherent beauty and ensure its longevity.
Once the varnish is set, a final inspection ensures every curve, every joint meets the highest standard. This isn't just a chair, it's a testament to dedication, ready for its journey.
Protecting this craftsmanship for its journey is just as vital as its creation. And if you want to see where these chairs go next, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our factory tours.
From a simple piece of timber to a meticulously crafted packaged chair, each step ensures quality. And now, these chairs are ready to embark on their journey, finding new homes and serving new purposes.
With the chairs now perfectly assembled and packaged, the final step in their journey begins. Careful precision is key, ensuring each pallet is securely loaded for its long road ahead.
Safety and security are paramount. Each chair, a testament to craftsmanship, must reach its destination in perfect condition. These straps are the final embrace before they embark on their journey.